guys, today's Wildcat word is contrast. I've got three excellent volunteers here today that volunteered to talk about contrast. And in order to do that, we're going to ask each one of them what they really like, and there's going to be a contrast between each one of them. What do you really like to do? Discover fossils. Number one. Number two. He likes learning about baseball. Contrast between fossils and baseball. And number three, which I kind of like what his answer is going to be, is he wants to learn about law enforcement. He's interested in it. So you see, there's a big contrast between law enforcement, fossils, and baseball. Have a great day.
This week's Wildcat word is contrast. Contrast means to pick out differences between two or more things. Sometimes you can learn a lot about something by seeing how it is different. Contrast. This week's Wildcat word is contrast.
In class, we contrast characters in a story,
Foods we like,
and activities we do.
Contrasting helps us decide why we like these things, and helps us learn more about them. Contrast.
To pick out differences between two things.
This week's Wildcat word is contrast. Contrast means to pick out differences between people or things. For instance, my favorite food is watermelon.
Mine is chocolate.
And mine's ham.
Contrast.
To pick out differences between two or more things, because they're all different.
This week's word is
contrast. Contrast means to find out differences in between things.
For instance, we all like football, but all of us have three different teams that we like.
I like the Redskins because of their linebackers.
I like the Miami Hurricanes because of their jerseys.
I like the Raiders because they play fair and they really try their best.
Contrast.
We're dressed in black, white, and red, but I've got a yellow hat and she doesn't. I've got short sleeves and she has long sleeves. That's how we contrast.